This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Monday. We are kicking off the week strong. Let's do it. Good morning, everybody. It's so good to see all of you guys. Guys, we have a good show planned for today. We have a lot of headlines. California working on a Bitcoin rights bill. We also have FTX beginning their payouts. Donnie T pardoning some people in crypto. Yeah, but is it who we think it is? Maybe not. We also have Michael Saylor and other people buying more Bitcoin. What are they buying? How much are they buying? And then we're going to go into the Donnie T family. The brothers, the sons of Donnie T are getting into Bitcoin mining. And what is their plan going forward? And are they going to speak out about it publicly? Well, I have all that information plus your coins to watch. So please make sure you smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share this out with friends if you're ready for the Zest, the news, the education. And also check out our two amazing sponsors of the show, Cake Wallet and Market Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off of Market Cipher. I want to say good morning to you as you say good morning to me. We have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers. Today's the last day I can give out 5 more memberships. So if you guys want 5 memberships, we have to hit 150 likes today. So let's get after it. Also, we have a goal of 20,000 subscribers. Guys, we're almost there. We're at 19,811 subscribers. I don't know what happened over the weekend, but we pumped, and I'm so excited. So, guys, 19,820 subs is the goal for today. 9 more. See Jamie over there with the heart on TikTok. All of you guys on TikTok, do me a favor. Please go to youtube.com/missteencrypto so you guys can see all the videos and the visuals, and subscribe, please. Zool says, great dress, 2 pockets today. That may be the truth. That may be the truth. Let me say good morning to everyone. All right, let's see. Let's see who's in the chat this morning. Answer the poll, everyone. Also, oh boy, we have the after show today for everyone. So, member or not, you are invited. So, let me set that up. Community Zest is the name of the event, and we'll set it up for 10:15, just so people could get in there. Okay, beautiful. Cool. Let's do this. Good morning, everybody. All right, who do we have in the chat today? And make sure you guys are checking us out on Rumble. We're almost like 1,000 followers on Rumble. We got Mike Volmer, Jesse, good morning. We got username DeFi Ant. Nice to see you. We got Silver Days, Patrick Murphy, JC, Alexandra G, my G. All the love to her. Who else? We got St. Jerome, Mark Smithson is in chat. Black Hat, as always, good morning to him. Drunk Pirate, are you going to be over on Rumble today, my friend? Joe Harvey, good morning. Doge Bowl, Poleman, good morning. Let's see. We got Aquarian, good morning. Ben Spada, Bobby Ev, Grandpa. Let's see. I lost my spot. All said, I think I said hi to you, but hello again. Anyway, Chipper, good morning. Explore more. Hello, my friend. Welcome. Guys, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you let us know so we can give you the appropriate amount of love. Right, Rob C, Shadow, DopeCollector.eth, and Bob are over there on X. Good morning. Dodgeball said, like, subscribe, like. Oh, I love that. Shout out to Julie in the chat. Julie, how's your channel going? How's everything going over there? Tyler Fitzpatrick is in the chat. Good morning. We have OG. Nice to see you. We have In the Moment, Government Bowel Movement Tracker. I just can't with that name. I actually just can't. Yukio on X. Good morning. We have Cajun, Red Jasper Kane. Howdy, they say. Well, howdy, sir. Or ma'am. We don't know gender. Wazzy Nature, good morning. Triple Nickel Tech, good morning. Backup is in the chat. Always good to see you. Bullduck Eric, how are you, my friend? Are you feeling all right? We got Brian Oakes, good morning. All right. Oh, William Edwards said new follower over there on X. Well, hello, my friend. Welcome. Welcome, William. All the love to you, my friend. Thank you for joining us. Please make sure you subscribe to YouTube as well. I appreciate everybody on thebeautifulx.com. Guys, please mind you that we are at 98,800 followers on X. We are trying to get 100K over there. Right, Donato? Good morning. KM, good morning. All right, Verhoofty Floof is chilling over there saying good morning to everyone. And Brian said, you missed me on YouTube. Brian, my bad. 728 subs on Rumble. Thank you for the update, Brian. Appreciate you. All right. I kept losing my place. I'm gonna blame my bot for that. Hello everyone on TikTok. Hello everyone everywhere. We're getting after it this morning. As always, we're gonna start with our market recap. Meh is what I see. It's meh. It's okay though, because you know what? You keep calm, you huddle on, you stay zesty, and everything's gonna be okay. My coffee is piping hot this morning. Piping. It's piping hot. Looking over to the charts. Bitcoin below the 200-day SMA for 1, 2, 3 full candle closes. And today we are still below that. We really haven't moved in price the whole weekend, essentially. We're at $82,284 today, down 0.12%. Again, we want to battle that 200-day SMA. Board type Crow, I see you. 86K is where the 200-day SMA is at right now. We really want to target that 91K, get back into the bullish end of things here. Although, I'm going to stop myself right there. 82K is still very bullish. All right, don't get greedy out here. But 73 to 77K is our range for the rejection here. Volume is pretty low. You can even see the money flow has been declining over the weekend. Momentum as well, as we had a red dot printed. That's been just weighing us down. VWAP is moving back up, though. I like that. And that's kind of why we're battling the red and the green right now. We have the VWAP moving back up. I do like a positive VWAP, a confident move to the upside as well. Looking at the RSI here, we are kind of bearish right now. We're mid-bear. We are mid-freaking-bear. All right. Again, we're slightly in the green now. 0.1% in the green. Talk about pumping it up. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. All right. We're going to hop into our breaking news headlines and actually start with something pretty humorous here. And I got to know what you guys think about it. Your breaking news headlines start now. Ethereum is declining right now. Looking at Ethereum price, we're $1,817. We're up about 0.5%. Again, really battling this 1818 mark right here. However, over the weekend, we saw Vitalik doing something a little bit odd, as Ethereum isn't doing well. Seems like Vitalik is. Here's the clip. So, Vitalik was meowing at a robot. I want to know how you think about what you think about this. Our friend in the chat on TikTok said you inspired me to get into crypto. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you. What do you guys think about that? What are we doing out here? Vitalik meowing at a freaking robot. I just have no words for that. That's the latest on Vitalik. Anyway, guys, we have 19,811 subscribers on YouTube. We really want to get 9 more today. 19,820. Pump it up. We're going to go into California. California introduced a Bitcoin rights bill, and this is very, very important. And the Bitcoin rights is in an amended digital assets bill. So we see right here, a Californian lawmaker just added Bitcoin and crypto investor protections to a February introduced money transmission bill aimed at securing crypto self-custody rights for the U.S. state nearly 40 million residents. California's Assembly Bill 1052 was introduced as the Money Transmission Act on February 20th, but was amended by Dem and Banking and Finance Committee Chair Evelina Valencia on March 28th to include Bitcoin and crypto-related investor protections. The amendments removed the term Money Transmission Act, renaming the legislation to Digital Assets, again, because we do see the SEC and a few other organizations coming forward and saying, hey, like Bitcoin miners and people with Bitcoin, they're not money transmitters. They're not. Because they are not. And it's embarrassing that a lot of people have tried to demolish crypto in the United States. But this is interesting, again, because we're seeing both sides of the aisle kind of come together and say, hey, Bitcoin is something that should not be a partisan issue. Dennis Porter says, California often sets the national blueprint for policy, and if Bitcoin rights passes here, it can pass anywhere. Once passed, this legislation will guarantee nearly 40 million Californians the right to self-custody their digital assets without fear of discrimination. The bill would also deem the use of digital financial assets as a valid and legal form of payment in private transactions and would prohibit public entities from restricting or taxing digital assets solely based on their use as payment. This is the rise of cryptocurrency, not crypto investments, not the asset class as a whole. It's cryptocurrency. And I think it's very bullish for people to use Bitcoin as currency, Litecoin as currency, Ethereum as currency, Dogecoin as currency. We need to be able to spend our crypto and not get capital gains tax on top of it. It's horrible. And apparently there are 99 merchants that do accept Bitcoin in California. I know when I personally went to California, I saw a bunch of places accepting Bitcoin. Hello, No Global. Hello, Fish. Hello, everyone on TikTok. Hello, everybody on YouTube. Techman is here. Squeaks is here. Brokoshi, Jackson Digital. Hello, everyone. Are we getting some miners in the chat? We have some mining news today. Guys, if you are bullish, put a rocket emoji. I want to see those rocket emojis in the chat. I want to see some bullish sentiment here. Just a reminder, guys, we have the community stage open. The community stage is open in 15 minutes for you guys to start gathering in there so we could get after it for the community after show. I'm not sure this show is going to be too long today. We're going to head over from the United States to Japan. Japan is mulling reclassifying crypto as a financial product in order for, in their eyes, to avoid insider trading. Japan's financial services agency, the FSA, plans to reclassify cryptocurrencies as financial products under new rules aimed at curbing insider trading in the digital asset market. The move comes as part of a broader effort to strengthen oversight in Japan's crypto ecosystem, which has witnessed growing adoption alongside a rise in fraudulent activities. Again, let's compare the fraudulent activity between fiat and crypto. It's not even comparable, all right? And then second, we know the yen, the Japanese yen, is absolutely getting crushed right now. So, of course, people are going to try to opt out of the yen and opt into Bitcoin and things of that nature, and even stable coins, which now stable coins, US dollar stable coins, are going to start being very prominent in Japan. The FSA intends to submit amendments to the Financial Instruments and Exchange Act, FIEA, to Japan's parliament as early as 2026, following a detailed review conducted by experts behind closed doors. Cryptocurrency are currently characterized or categorized as a means of settlement under the Payment Services Act, a designation that has governed their use primarily as a payment tool rather than investment vehicles. However, this existing classification has left gaps in regulatory oversight, particularly concerning activities like insider trading. And they're going to go into what constitutes as insider trading in crypto context or the penalties for these violations, as they have not yet been disclosed. So that's the latest on crypto in Japan. Let me know how the camera looks today. Is it too bright? I think it's just the... I think it's just my screen that's kind of glitching out right now. Let me know if the lighting is good. Put a 1 or yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. How's the lighting? How's the lighting going? Okay. We're going to go into FTX, guys. FTX is beginning $11.4 billion in creditor repayments and payouts after the years-long battle within the bankruptcy. I'm telling you guys right now, this is not as good of news as you think it is. Only because, again, if you had one Bitcoin on FTX back then, it was $16,000 just about when FTX collapsed. So that means if you're getting your whole Bitcoin back, you're only getting $16,000. They're not giving you $82,000 Bitcoin. I think it's just sad and depressing, again, because it is just not what you think it is. People are thinking, oh my gosh, they're going to get all their Bitcoin back. No, they're not. They're getting fractions of that amount because FTX apparently did not have the actual Bitcoin they said they did. And that's just darn sad. FTX, oh boy, is going to begin paying its main creditors at the end of May. The company gathered $11.4 billion in cash to distribute to thousands of parties affected by its 2022 bankruptcy, with the first payments to major creditors set for May 30th. Now, I'm just going to throw this out there too. Where are they getting the money from? They're paying their lawyers, they're paying the current CEO millions of dollars. And then they also supposedly lost billions as well. So who in the world is giving them this money? Where are they getting the money from? Where'd they get the $11.4 billion from? I want to see receipts. These include institutional investors and firms that held crypto on FTX's platform. Smaller creditors with claims below the 50K mark have already begun receiving distributions. And so we see the task of unwinding their balance sheet has been slowed by a large number of claims, many of them reportedly questionable. There's this guy, a bankruptcy attorney for the firm, that told the court FTX received 27 quintillion claims, many of which are duplicates or outright fraudulent. Quintillions. This is so bad. This is so freaking bad. Quintillion. I don't believe anything that they say. I don't believe anything that they say. And so how do they know which is real? How did they verify them all? Well, obviously KYC would be one of the ways. But apparently, legitimate creditors, which I find also interesting, are entitled to 9% interest annually on unpaid claims, which, again, where are they going to get the money back to give them interest?
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you.
Will we see you at BTC/LTC Summit in May, Las Vegas? Slot machine emoji.
Aww.
I don't think so. As of right now, no. And that hurts my heart greatly, Tech Man. It's honestly been something that's been bothering me lately, that I don't think I'll be at either one. And so, yeah. Can't really get into too much of it, but I've been trying my best to get to Bitcoin conference and Vegas, and it's just not looking too bright for me right now. So, sadly, does not look like I'll be making it. But if anything changes, of course, I will let you guys know, because I would love to meet you guys, but I don't think I'll be making it to Vegas this year, which is very sad. Very sad. Anyways, we're going to keep going. We have... okay. Donnie T pardoning Arthur Hayes, BitMEX, and 3 other co-founders and employees. This is pretty wild. I was like, wow, when I saw this one. Arthur Hayes, the former CEO of crypto exchange BitMEX, has been granted a pardon by Donnie T, while a White House official confirmed this on Friday as well. Trump also pardoned Hayes' co-founders at BitMEX, Samuel Reed and Benjamin Dalo, as well as senior employee Greg Dwyer. And BitMEX's operating entity, HDR Global Trading, a BitMEX spokesperson said. CNBC first reported the pardons, which the White House said were signed on Thursday. Back in 2020, the DOJ brought charges against BitMEX and its 3 co-founders and its first employee, accusing them of violating the BSA, the Bank Secrecy Act. Prosecutors alleged BitMEX advertised itself as a place where customers could use their platform anonymously without providing KYC info. All 4 individuals eventually pled guilty and were sentenced to fines and probationary sentences. The exchange itself pleaded guilty to violating the BSA last year. So this is pretty wild. Although they did, Arthur Hayes tweeted, "Thank you." The CFTC ordered BitMEX to pay $100 million for violating the Commodity Exchange Act and other CFT regulations back in 2021. Although, again, like, there was no foundational rules set out for this. So I think this is very odd. Very odd that they went and did that. Operation Choke Point 2.0, this was the persecution of crypto and freedom. And it seems like, again, Donnie T is trying to reverse all of the damage here. Yeah, Brian, I really can't get into all of that. But yeah, I can't. I wish I could go. I really wish I could. Yeah, I wish I could go. It's actually hurting my heart even talking about it, that I can't get to Vegas. And I'm just like, because like I really want to go. I want to go so bad, and see everybody and meet everyone. And my heart. All right. We're going to keep going. Like I said, this show might be a little bit shorter today. Again, not too many headlines to go through. However, we're going to talk about MicroStrategy and strategy. Michael Saylor acquiring more Bitcoin today. Oh boy. 22,048 Bitcoin acquired for $1.92 billion. Saylor's latest tweet lays that out. They were bought at around $86,969 per Bitcoin, achieving a Bitcoin yield of 11% year to date. And as of yesterday, Strategy holds 528,185 Bitcoin acquired for $35.63 billion at $67,458 per Bitcoin. Just wow. Guys, as you're scared, Saylor is buying your bags. And Marathon Digital is going to buy your bags too. They're also going to mine your bags, create your bags, but they're also going to buy them too. This is what I keep talking about. We do not have enough Bitcoin out in circulation. If the mainstream comes in, retail FOMO's in again, there will not be enough Bitcoin. The miners are going to keep buying Bitcoin and putting it on their balance sheet. Marathon Digital is starting a massive $2 billion stock sale to buy more Bitcoin. So again, this is Marathon, publicly traded. They're launching a fresh $2 billion stock offering to buy more Bitcoin, continuing its plan of buying Bitcoin in the open market through capital raise while sticking to its HODL strategy. According to a Form 8K and a new prospectus filed with the SEC, Marathon entered into an at-the-market equity program with a group of investment banks, including Barclays, BMO Capital Markets, BTIG, Cantor Fitzgerald, and others. The proceeds of the offering, which will see brokers selling shares of the miner from time to time, will be used mainly for the acquisition of Bitcoin in the open market. Mara saying in a prospectus, we currently intend to use the net proceeds from this offering for general corporate purposes, including the acquisition of Bitcoin and for working capital. The new fresh stock sales follow a plan from a previous ATM offering that targeted up to $1.5 billion for the miner. They now hold 46,376 Bitcoin in its treasury, making it the second largest Bitcoin stash among publicly traded companies, behind Strategy's 506k Bitcoin. Guys, wow. Put those Bitcoin miner emojis. We're going to look at Marathon's stock right now. So Marathon actually at a critical level, and we're going to dive into that right now, as Marathon is at $11.71. We're down 6%. Again, we want to hold this $11.70 mark right where we're at right now. That's where we want to hold support. We would like to bullishly bounce off of that and target $15.35. Bearish level to watch now is $8.56. We have the VWAP that's down. Momentum is getting crushed We need a little bit of love. 79 likes. Guys, pump it up. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
Wow. All right. All you need is love. Do, 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 do. All right, let's continue. We're going to jump into more mining news as we talk about. We're also going to talk about Elon Musk a little bit later. But our project spotlight today is going to be more mining news. Let's see those Bitcoin miner emojis. Let's get it. Guys, the Donnie T family is not done chasing the crypto bag. Now we have American Bitcoin, a little venture that we see the Donnie T family is entering with Hut 8, a very nuanced Bitcoin miner, and this is their new venture. The Trump family is deepening their involvement in crypto, according to the Wall Street Journal, which I don't trust them too much, but I've seen this is actually confirmed, so that's why we're talking about it. Eric and Donnie T Jr. are merging their firm American Data Centers with a new mining venture called American Bitcoin, taking a 20% stake in the company. The remaining 80% will be owned by Hut 8, a publicly traded crypto infrastructure firm, which is contributing nearly 61,000 mining machines to the new entity. According to the report, no cash changed hands in the deal. Eric T., who serves as American Bitcoin's chief strategy officer, describes the initiative as aligned with the family focus on hard assets likening digital currencies to real estate. He emphasized plans to build a Bitcoin reserve and potentially take the company public. Although American Bitcoin is separate from the Donnie T organization and may eventually collaborate with World's Liberty Financial, the DeFi project that was launched by the Donnie T brothers as well. Hut 8, on the other hand, will host mining operations in 11 U.S. data centers, according to CEO Asher Janut. He says low energy costs and scalable infrastructure will give American Bitcoin a competitive edge. Now, my question was like, all right, is this really confirmed? Because Wall Street Journal likes the FUD. Well, yes, because American Bitcoin tweeted, American Bitcoin is here. Join us for the official launch presentation tomorrow, April 1st at 8:30 a.m. Eastern, to hear co-founder Eric T. and the Hut 8 Corp leadership team to discuss our vision and strategy for the company. We will also be hosting a space tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern, and stay tuned for the link. So they say this is the new standard in Bitcoin mining. I am bewildered. This is shocking. I didn't think that they would be investing more in the industry than they are. Like, this is absolutely ridiculous. So Bitcoin miners, you're going to have competition with the Donnie T brothers. That's it. Hut 8 is taking over your bags. James said, all you need is likes. Hit the like button now.
Oh, baby.
I agree. How many likes do we have? We have 95 likes. Guys, 5 more. Pump it up. And I wanted to give away some memberships today, but I just don't know if it's going to happen. I just don't know. With Baron's old PCs. You think Baron's not behind this? Of course Baron's going to be. Well, we have some gainers and losers that we could jump into first. Leading the gainers is Form, up 8.5%, Core up 7.4%, EOS up 7%, Jito up 6.6%, and Ton up 6.48%. We also have Barachain down 8.6%, Pi down 7%, Move down 6.5%, Leo down 5.78%, and Story down 5.9%. And I'm honestly surprised that Dogecoin isn't getting hit harder than it is right now, although Doge is way below its 200-day SMA. We're around 16.5 cents. We have Elon Musk saying there's no Doge in Doge. Faint hopes of Dogecoin being included in the U.S. Department of Government Efficiency, they were dented on Sunday as Elon Musk quashed any plans of adding the meme coin. He said there are no plans for the government to use Dogecoin or anything. I was going to call it Government Efficiency Commission, but that's super boring. Then the internet said it needs to be Doge. I was like, the internet is right. Doge is down 3.5% in the past 24 hours. We're currently down 1% right now. Again, falling below this around 18 cents. We are looking at a bearish level of 12-cent Dogecoin. Again, this is very surprising from Mr. Elon. Again, the decline in volume has been crazy. Now, money flow is going down here. We have the momentum getting crushed by that red dot that was literally just printed on Friday. And then we have the VWAP trying to move up, but doesn't seem too strong of a hope there. RSI is taking a major hit, giving back all of its gains that it started to take up on Saturday. So just keep, well, not this past Saturday, the Saturday of last weekend. So just be careful. Poor little Dogecoin. Are we good? Can I get a sound check? Can I get a sound check, please?
The sound check, baby, it's a sound check. I'm gonna check this sweet mic. Why don't you check yourself?
Yeah, this is a problem, man. This is a problem. YouTube tries to take me out, man. That's not fun. More on Elon Musk. Elon is calling to end the Fed. What do you guys think about this? Should we end the Fed? 1 or yes emoji, 2 or no emoji? Let me know.
Question is, what is your opinion on the Federal Reserve, and do you have any intentions of doing anything with them?
And the Fed. Yeah. I don't know. I always wanted to say that, you know.
Question is, what?
Should we end the Fed? Put a 1 or yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. It's cutting in and out of my sound. Does Williamsburg still accept Doge? As far as I know, yes. But I haven't been there since I left New York, so I don't know for sure. But I'm pretty sure they do. Keg Diggity says, Randy, I have the day off. Glad to be able to catch your stream. Well, I'm so happy you're here, so thank you for coming. Yeah, I see we have viewers dropping off right now. Oh. Guys, we got to perk up here. We got to perk up. Greg says, shut the doors. All right, guys, let's get after it. I'm going to go through some charts here, and then, yeah, we're going to get into the after show in just a few minutes. Oh, and my camera went kaplu. Okay, 1 second. Okay, there we go. We're back. Guys, my camera, she gets so angry. Okay. Yep, I saw. Camera went kaput. How long was it like that? I hope it wasn't like that for long. Probably only a few seconds. All right. Let's keep going. Let's get after it. We're going to look at Bitcoin again, look at the weekly chart really quick, because now we're rebounding just a little bit. We're at 83,100. Oh, no, now 83.2. Ooh, nice. Up 0.95%. We're going to look at the weekly chart here since we're at the beginning of the week here. The past few weeks, we've been battling the 200-day SMA. We officially rejected it here at the beginning of the month. And so we've been battling it every week since. And the last time we closed above the 200-day SMA was back here on March, the week of the 17th. Now, I am hoping that this week we can charge it again, challenge it, supercharge Bitcoin and go to 91K. But again, bearish level to watch is that 73 to 76K. Money flow is still green on the weekly. So when in doubt, zoom out here. We do have a red dot that's completely weighing down our momentum. Lowest momentum we've seen since back here in December of 2022, which again was kind of around the bottom of the bear market. December of 2022-ish. Wait. 2022. Yeah, so December of 2022 was basically the bottom of the bear market here at 17K. So just be aware, guys, that this could be a signal for better things to come. The RSI here on the weekly is trying to battle that neutral again. We haven't seen choppiness like this since August of last year and even July and August of 2023. So that's very interesting as well. We're going to look at, because we looked at Ethereum's daily before, we're going to look at the weekly. Same thing, the past few weeks we've been battling $2,000 ETH. We are looking at $1,800 right now. We really want to pump it up and look at $2,000 ETH. Over here, we're looking at the red money flow. Again, lowest money flow we've seen since back here, March of 2023. VWAP needs to cross that zero line. Momentum is the lowest we've seen since back here in July of 2022. Again, July of 2022. Let's take a look at that. October 2022, June, around July. Yeah, right here. We were at like $1,500 ETH. Hello, good news. Thank you for subscribing. Appreciate you. Verhoopty saying we may have bottomed. I really hope that's the case here. I really hope that's the case. I feel like we are getting some signals that, you know, the weakness is kind of at lows of a bear market in terms of some signals like momentum and things of that nature. So also, Litecoin weekly, guys. Litecoin, we know in the past we were really battling $85 on the weekly. We're back at that battle. We're at $82 Litecoin, down 4.6%. We're looking at $78 as our bear scenario on the weekly. VWAP is trying to move back up. Momentum is the lowest we've seen since September of 2024, which isn't terrible. Money flow is still nice and green. And then we have the RSI that is declining right now. And is almost mid-bear. We're going to look at daily here. Daily, again, we really want to hold $85. Bearish level to watch is at 78, so the same thing, same levels to watch on both ends. Tomorrow we'll look at the fresh month charts after we close the month tonight. And yes, guys, make sure you guys remember the after show. We're going to start it in just a few minutes. Watch out for the after show community stage. Everyone is invited. So as long as you're in the Discord, you'll be able to join. Money flow is low, guys. We are low February since we've seen these levels. So about a month. VWAP is slightly moving up here. Again, momentum is getting crushed right now. Hopefully we get a green dot printed soon. RSI is also pretty low. Almost at oversold, which I say send it to oversold, relieve the selling pressure, and see where we go from there. I know you guys are XRP fans, so we're going to look at that for a moment. XRP is on the decline. We're looking at $1.79, about $1.80, and $1.79 is where the 200-day SMA is, so that's why I kind of included that. As the 200-day SMA, if we reject it, might be a problem for XRP. Bullishly, we're looking at $2.75, which is our golden zone. We're at $2.09, like I said, down 2.1%. Oh, there's Mike Fulmer with the XRP rocket emojis. Zachary says 111 likes. Yes, pump it up. We're doing great. When in doubt, zoom out. Exactly. When in doubt, zoom out. We're gonna be okay. I think Bitcoin in the market needs a cup of coffee to give them a nice little boost. Give them a nice little boost. All right. Oh my gosh, you guys, don't fight in the chat. Let's be nice to one another. But yeah, guys, I'm so happy all of you guys are here. I know we're bullish. I know that this is just a lot of craziness going on, but I think if we keep calm, we huddle on, it's all going to be okay. Bitcoin always wins. Crypto always wins. So this is about waiting. This is a waiting game. Someone give Bitcoin a Red Bull, because Red Bull gives you wings, friends, and it'll make Bitcoin fly to new highs. Rocky B, good morning. Stu, what's up? Hello, everyone. But yeah, Squeeze says, it feels like the bottom. Feels like something's gotta change. It feels like the bottom. Yeah, I love that song. I wish I had that on my soundboard. I should probably add it. I should probably get it from Piano MATIC beat because that would be absolutely awesome. But guys, we're getting after it, and I'm very bullish. And I'm waiting for the reality to set in for most people that Bitcoin is the way. But again, keep calm, hodl on. When in doubt, zoom out. Be your own bank. Rob C said, buy the dip. It's a gift. I 100% agree, and I actually tweeted that. Memory said, Bitcoin's going to be fine. It's humanity I'm concerned about. I mean, listen, man, I think it's all going to be okay. I really do. Jay Violet, hello. Oh, I see a bunch of people raiding in. Where are y'all coming from? Ando, hello, welcome. Guys, where are y'all coming from? Where are you coming from? Jay Violet, where were you? All right. Let me see this in the chat. Let me see some emojis. I want to see some fam emojis because we fam. And this is what it's all about, guys. It's all about fam and getting through it together. Because again, when the good times start to pick up again, that's what everyone's going to look forward to. And then we're going to be like, wow, we've been waiting here the entire time. Being patient the entire time. Papa Peldino, nice to see you. Welcome. Oh, Piper Academy. Well, shout out to the Pipers. I appreciate them. Guys, head over to the Discord. And you know what? Should I drop some memberships right now before we close out the show? We have 7 more likes for 125. I feel like we should get there. John Wood, hello. Okay. Oh, Caspars. Hello, my friend. Guys, again, if you're new, you let us know. Should I drop memberships? 1 or yes emoji, 2 or no emoji? I think I could drop 5 more. I'm pretty sure. Should I drop them? I could. Should I drop 5 more memberships? Let me see. Pips said, love yourself. Well, thank you for being here. Crimson, hello. James, thank you for the heart. All right. All right, should I give away more memberships? All right, we're dropping it. Membership rain. There we go. Woohoo! I hope some good people get them. Oh, we got all the lurkers. All the lurkers just got those 5. Oh, darn. But we dropped the memberships. Auto with all the membership emojis. I love it. Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. Guys, we're getting after it. We're going to go into the members, not the members only, the community after show. Members are Wednesdays and Fridays. So please make sure you become a member of the channel so that way you guys could be part of Wednesday and Friday after shows as well, because we want to give back and hang out and have exclusive chats after the show. So please make sure you join the Discord right now because today everyone is invited so we can all hang out. So please, again, if you haven't yet, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share it out with friends. We do have a goal of 20,000 subscribers, so please make sure you guys are continuing to share out this stream and the channel to other people so people know what's going on. Isaac, thank you for subscribing. Hello. Hello, everyone. Oh, boy. You guys are so great. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Smash the like, subscribe, share it out with friends. We're on the road to 20K subs, and we're going to get there. And I will see you guys right now in Discord. Have a great day. Happy Monday. Let's get after it this week. And as always, stay zesty. Peace.